viewers, and welcome to the Pistol Lineman Workshop. It's good to see you again. We're just checking in for a little update and show you what's been going on in the shop. Which today has been a massive rearrange. As you see, the new position we're in.
Don't know the last fucking one if you watch the videos.
Oh yeah.
Well, yeah.
If you look at the videos, it doesn't look like we've done a lot, but if you saw the workshop, we've done a lot. Everything is completely like moved 90 degrees around on us. So yeah, we've got a lathe behind us, which was there.
We had a lathe behind us in the last one.
Did we?
Yeah.
We were outside in the last one.
Were we?
Yeah. We're not outside today, it's been pissing it down.
Ah, I remember, yeah. Getting that old shed started.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
we're still thinking of raffling.
yes.
Mm.
Comment below.
Hashtag raffle this shit up.
So, yes, we've received a couple of emails.
Yes, anyway, I was going to say, what was the main actual thing of this, this video?
Well, you might see in the title what it's all about. Well, we've received a couple of emails asking us questions on our Ask Billy Borswell page. Now, that was a series that we started. You had a couple of episodes. You could ask Billy behind us anything you like, and we'd give it a good crack. Well, we decided to...
His inbox is getting pretty full, so we decided we better do something about it.
Yeah, we're going to expand on this. We're not just going to do the Ask Billy. We're going to ask the Pistol Lineman crew. So we're going to start a Q&A.
I've got black hands.
Yes, so have I.
Mine are blacker. I fell over.
You've done more than me today.
Mm. Yeah.
So, yes, we're going to start a Q&A. So basically, if you would like to ask us anything, then please get in touch.
There's no need for that.
Contact us on the email, askbillyborswell.
Social distancing.
Yeah, askbillyborswell, all one word, at hotmail.com. You can drop a comment below, or you can find us on our Facebook page, which is Pistol Lineman Workshop, but with an I rather than an exclamation mark, because they get funny about
What's that on?
Facebook.
Facebook. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So 3 ways to contact us. Please do. We've like I said, Billy's had a few emails. We're going to include those already in the Q&A episode that's coming up. But we'd like to get a few more off our fans, viewers and subscribers. It can be literally anything you like. It can be shop related. It can be...
I'm getting bored now.
In the previous videos, it can be why he's so impatient.
Yep.
It can be...
Have we finished that?
What's your favourite... Not yet. It could be, who's your favourite Rugrat character? Anything.
Tommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I'll answer that one for you.
So, if you'd like to contact the page, please do.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, as
Check
we
out
say.
Facebook.
Watch all the other videos. We will have regular content coming soon, but we thought we'd give you a heads
And
up
click
on
the
this one.
bell.
Yes, ring the bell.
Yeah.
And, yes, we'll have a special episode coming in a week or so. Maybe a week, maybe a fortnight. See how many emails
Sometime
we get.
around May.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All depends on the shoot. If it's windy and wet again, then it might be in quite a while. It's not been very pleasant today. But I hope it's nice where you are. Have a good week, everyone. Like and subscribe. Comment below. Get your friends to subscribe. If your friends subscribe, then get your friends' friends to subscribe. We want to get to 100 subscribers because that will really boost our channel. That started... Well, if you go back, you will see how it all started. Please do. So, join us again.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching.